Hi kids! I'm Miss Mary and I am here to teach you the new vocabulary words of Unit 4, which is related with food and drinks. Let's get started. Look at this. What's this?
Water,
Water.
tomatoes,
Tomatoes. And they are red. In America, they don't say tomatoes. They say tomatoes.
pizza,
Pizza. Delicious. I love it.
soup,
Soup.
bread,
Bread.
ham,
Ham. Can you see? Ham.
cheese,
Cheese. And look to E. Cheese. And this is the silent E. So, cheese.
ice cream,
Ice cream. And this is all. So you can stop the video whenever you want or play it again or watch it again. See you in class. Bye bye.